A table is given in question number 17th, x and hx. So hx is output. You can also call it as y, x and y. Okay. The table shows the exponential relationship. Let's stop here. Because whenever your question says exponential relationship, you have to start your question from y is equal to ab to the power x most of the times. Now, what is a here? A is the initial value. Initial value means when x is 0. So from the table we can see that when x is 0, value of y is 1.23. So that is the initial value. So y is equal to 1.23 b to the power x. Okay. Now we have to find the value of b, right? So, and what we can do, we can use the given data. Whatever the data is given, we have to take the help of that and find the value of b. So table is given, right? So definitely I can use this coordinate or this coordinate, third one, any coordinate I can use. So I'm using 2 and 1.54. So 2 is x and y is 1.54. Okay, I am writing this here one more time. So it's y is equal to 1.23 b to the power x. And now I'm using these coordinates. When x is 2, y is 1.54. Okay, let's put y is 1.54 is equal to 1.23 b to the power 2, dividing by 1.23 on both sides. 1.54 over 1.23 is equal to b squared. So b squared is equal to, let's use calculator, that is 1.2520. Now let's square root both sides, right? So square root of b square is equal to square root of 1.2520. Okay, use calculator one more time. 1.252, so that is 1.12 is equal to b, right? Now we have the value of a, we have the value of b. So let's substitute here. Y is equal to 1.23, 1.12 to the power x. So D is the right option.